It's not scary.
Không thổi đi, em thổi đó, thổi.
Wow, Kara thổi giỏi quá. Kate thổi được không? Wow, giỏi quá. Keep going, you can do it.
Thổi đi.
You can do it. Mạnh lên, you can do it. Thổi mạnh lên. Wow, gần hết rồi. Wow, mạnh lên. Wow, mạnh lên.
Thổi như,
One more.
thổi như,
One more, mạnh lên. One more. Wow, okay, did it. You want some more? More? Okay, more. You're gonna sing this 10 more times. You're gonna have to sing this 10 more times. Yes, cake. Okay, one more time. Cái một cái bánh ở nhà gọi để hát
I
like.
wanted you to record Kara blowing again.
Oh, she can't blow.
I know, but I like her how she, you know.
She ready. Nó mà không thổi được nó. Yes. Well, happy birthday first, then we sing, okay? It's okay. Here we come.
No.
Don't turn off. I know, more. We're doing more. No, chưa gì. It's okay. We don't eat the cream anyways. Okay. You can blow now as many times you like. Thổi đi. Ôi mạnh quá. Kara, do thường. Wow, Kara. Coi chừng đốt tóc. Wow, okay. Good job. Wow, awesome. Happy birthday to you. You ready to eat the cake? Ăn cake nhá. No, you don't eat cake. You don't eat cake? Try. Okay, mình try. No touching. Welcome to another day in my life. And in this episode, we're going to talk about birthday cake. I know it sounds so crazy, but yes, birthday cake. So my daughter now is interested in blowing out candles and they want a birthday cake every day. And the real reason why we have been doing a lot of birthday cake is because it's almost Kate's birthday and we're definitely not going to do anything this year due to COVID, but we're definitely going to just spoil them with cakes. Now, they don't always eat these cakes, and when they do choose to eat cake, I do like using Cᴏ宜ᴛ쏘ᴄᴛ. They're less sweeter, and the cream even tastes good. I honestly don't like the whipped cream or the fondant kind of cake because it's too sweet, but these cakes are actually really, really good. As you know, I am someone who firmly believes in hard work, and I believe in working for what you want. So that's why I've been teaching Kate and Kara, when you want something, you have to have something in return or a collateral. So Kate and Kara has been helping me around the house. When they do what I want them to do, they can ask for things. So they always ask for cake. That's why we always have so much cake in the house. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Caitlin. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Thổi, come on, come.
Trời đất ơi, cái con này. Thiệt. Eat nothing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
To you.
Happy birthday, dear Caitlin. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Thổi, blow. Thổi.
It's not scary, Sarah.
It's not scary.
Mạnh lên.
Come on.
Rồi, cô đừng có tóc.
Wow, Kara, so good. Good job, Katie. Good job, Katie.
Cho nó một cái đuôi.
Not right now. Do you want to wake up or no?
Yellow.
Why do you need the yellow clip? You don't even clip your hair. Okay, I'm gonna leave. You cry, I go. Bye. Then stop crying. Who want to hug? Come here. Thank you. You can do it.
I in the basket.
Yes, you're in the basket. Thank you.
I in the basket to help.
Yes. Thank you for being in the basket. Thank you. So helpful. You're almost there. Got everything soon.
Want me to daddy's shirt?
Yes, time to get Daddy's shirt.
Want me to get daddy's shirt? I'm so scared.
You're not scared. You're good. You got it? Okay, come out. I'll get that one. It's okay. Thank you for helping Mama get the rest.
Cow, give me the cat one now.
Thank you, Kate. Anyways, I'm now going to get some bottle washing done, fold the clothes, and then get ready because I do have several appointments today. Today I'm actually meeting with a new housing developer. It's a new contact that I connect with, and I'll be renting all of his apartment complexes that he'll be building. And I honestly like to do this early in the morning because it's the best time to grab a coffee, sit down, talk about his offer versus my offer of my services. And after we reach an agreement, that's when he'll start locating where his apartments are, as well as how fast he would like for me to rent it out, and just things like that. But usually after the meeting, I would go home and scrub myself out, as you can see, as I visit the apartment complexes or places that are still under construction. I just visit both our own development as well as my new developer contact development, just to kind of see, you know, which I can do showing right away, which would be great for a certain tenant that I have already on the wait list. In this industry, I feel that doing less showing is better because I don't really have the time for it. It's really not doing hundreds of showing a day, it's doing several showing a day, but making sure that everything you're showing them is exactly what they want. Now, I honestly feel like everyone has their own method of doing showings or working as a realtor, but for me, I choose to be more efficient and wasting people time less. I know a lot of real estate agents like to show hundreds of property, as I've said before. I'm just not that agent. And as you know, the reason why I do a lot of the housing video showing is because this is really what my day is like. I try to film 2 to 4 property a day, and that's literally how much apartment I have on my list. And because I have such a huge client base for finding apartment and finding home versus the landlord that I'm now compiling into this whole list, there's always something readily available, and that's from building connection. When I first got started in this industry, I was that agent that did a lot of showing. I worked from like 6 a.m. to like 10 p.m. and because of my hard work and my good work ethic and me just doing everything I said I was going to do, I impressed a lot of landlord and client, and my client base is built years back. Years back. And now as I become more efficient, because I have a huge landlord list, a huge client tenant base list, that it's easy for me to match the right landlord with the right client. I want you to jump into real estate with the proper mindset. Don't think that you're going to jump in, you're going to make millions of dollars. That's not how it works. I promise you, that's really not how it works. If you are the lucky type that strike it big and does make it work, then honey, I am super proud of you. I really am. But for the majority of us, we do have to take the longer path and build things slowly, because landlords aren't just going to land hundreds of apartments on your lap, you know? And when you first get started, you're going to be competing with a lot of other brokers and realtors and agents. That's just how things are. But if you are more trained in your field, people would be more prone to turn to you, especially when they have a lot of fair relationship with other brokers or other agents. And when they come to you, it's always a positive, or you like save their butt somehow. And that's literally how I'm building a lot of my client base trust, both on the landlord and on the client side. It's because they chose someone else before me and it didn't work out for them, so in the end they came back to me and I just got it done. I just hooked them up. And I feel like being able to do your job well, regardless of being turned down the first or second time by a client or by a landlord. And with that, I want to also warn you that, you know, there's going to be a lot of preppy tenant slash client, and there's gonna be a lot of crappy landlord, and you're going to have a lot of bad experience before you have really good experience. And that good experience come when you start being able to recognize or pick up people, or getting better at your people skills. Then you start understanding, where they're going with something. And while I had a really negative first 2 years of this job, I kept going at it, and that's why I got to where I am. And I don't want you guys to think that this is easy, because honestly it's not. It really isn't. And everyone have to develop their own method in order to make it, I guess. And there's just an overabundance of agent working against you, and there's a lot of agent that in this industry is very cutthroat. And I'm telling you, if I could just sit down and have a talk show, or like have a blog, or like a chat vlog, and tell you the horror story that I've gone through in order to get here, you're gonna be flabbergasted. I mean, it's not as milk and honey as these videos make it out to be. However, every bad experience that you do come across will be a learning lesson. Each lesson will help you get better at your job. So in the same time, though the lessons, some are unbearable, making it and being able to learn from it will also be an asset. Look, Triceratops.
The hot tub. Hot tubs.
Triceratops, đúng rồi.
This is hot tub.
Aha, you're right. You're so good. And this one? What's this one? Kara, what dinosaur is this?
This is Stegosaurus.
Stegosaurus. Okay.
Stegosaurus.
I don't even know what the hell this is. I can't even tell you. What are you doing? What about this one, Kara? What's this one? What's this one?
Flap, flap.
Flap, the pterodactyl.
Flap, flap.
What dinosaur is that?
This is Stegosaurus.
That's a Stegosaurus? Can I see? You're right. That is a Stegosaurus. Your dad is teaching you a whole bunch of dinosaur crap that I don't even know. Okay. Can you find me a T-Rex? What's T-Rex? Where's the Tyrannosauric Rex? Tyrannosauric Rex. Where's the mama T-Rex? You find it? That is a T-Rex. Oh my god, you're like 2 years old.
I'm a T-Rex.
Uh-huh. What is that? What is that?
This is a baby dinosaur.
It's a baby dinosaur?
Mommy dinosaur.
Okay, I think this is the Velociraptor. Velociraptor.
So,
I don't know how to say it right.
thank you.
You're welcome.
Want you listen?
You want to drink medicine?
Okay. Okay, drink medicine.
Do you feel bad, or you just want to drink the yummy medicine?
No.
Anyways, that's pretty much the end of my day. I'm going to end it really quickly because I do have things to prepare for. With New Year around the corner, there's so much to do. I'll see you in the next episode. Have a great day.